In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple photos, videos to WhatsApp status. If you've ever wanted to share a quick highlight reel of your day, WhatsApp status is perfect. It strings together photos and short video clips that your contacts can view for 24 hours. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add several items at once so they appear back to back, just like a mini story. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure the app is updated so the buttons and labels match what you see here. Next, head to the Updates tab. On some phones, this might still be labeled status, but it's the same place where all your contacts' stories live. Now, start a new status by tapping your profile picture with the little plus sign. This opens your camera and your photo gallery. You can take a fresh photo or record a video right away, or you can choose something you've already captured. For a smoother process, I recommend starting by selecting from your gallery, especially if you already know which items you want to include. Pick your first photo or video. This becomes the starting item in your status sequence. You'll land on the editing screen where you can see tools for trimming videos, adding text, and more. Don't send it yet. Instead, look for the plus sign or the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Tap that to keep adding more media. From here, select the rest of the photos and videos you want to include. You can tap multiple items in a row and they'll be queued up to post one after another. When you've chosen everything you need, tap Done. If one of your videos is longer than WhatsApp allows for a single status, the app may prompt you to trim it, or it might automatically split it into segments depending on your version. Either way, just follow the on-screen guidance. Before posting, customize each item. Tap into any photo or clip to add a caption, overlay text, or place emojis and stickers. You can pinch to resize and drag elements to position them neatly. If a video needs a quick trim, use the timeline slider to keep only the best part. Take a moment to swipe through your selections and make sure the order and edits look right. When everything is set, hit send. Your photos and videos will upload in sequence and appear as a continuous status for your contacts to view. Remember, statuses disappear after 24 hours, and you can always review them from your own update screen. That's all there is to it. Multiple photos and videos, one seamless WhatsApp status.